6:06. A very good evening to you. The former mayor of Barnet, Brian Coleman's told LBC that he's been foolish after he was expelled from the Conservative Party. He admitted common assault during an attack on a woman who filmed him parking illegally on a street where he'd helped to introduce unpopular charges. Mr. Coleman spoke with Ian Dale a little earlier.
There was a long and sustained campaign of harassment that was referred to in all the evidence in court, and it led to me doing something which was foolish. And, you know, we are where we are, but you can't go through life with endless regrets.
Do you feel you owe your constituents and your Conservative colleagues an apology?
No, I don't feel I owe my constituents or my Conservative colleagues an apology, because I think, frankly, their vote for the grace of God go any other elected politician.
Well, there aren't many elected politicians who are convicted of assaulting a woman.
I think there's an increasing list of politicians convicted of all sorts of things these days. But this was a woman, and, you know, those who heard the evidence in court heard the full story, who had led a nasty and unpleasant campaign which included 3 attacks on my 90-year-old mother and attacks on my flat and my car, well beyond the usual ding-dong of political debate.
But you say you're going to stand again in the council elections next year. You won't be able to stand under a Conservative banner. Any thoughts of maybe possibly joining another political party?
Why do I want to join another political party? But what I will stand on...
That's the only way to get elected.
Well, yes, but what I will stand on is genuine, true, proper Conservative values, which I sometimes think we've forgotten in the last few years, and which locally we've very much forgotten, with a number of ill-thought-out and ill-conceived policies.
So you'll stand as an independent Conservative?
I shall stand and see what the electorate think. At the end of the day, it's the electorate who decide these things, not the pundits.
Do you expect to win?
I've never gone into any election campaign expecting to win. As Enoch Powell famously said, all political careers end in failure. So, at some stage, you're going to completely lose. So I've never gone into an election thinking I'm going to win. I've only gone into an election saying, look, what you see is what you get. If you want a politician who's going to say, all things to all men, it ain't me.
But you do seem to have caught a controversy right throughout your political career. I mean, I've looked up your Wikipedia entry before I came in. We all know how inaccurate...
I've never looked yours up here, and I forget to say...
It's probably best not to. But, there are all sorts of things where you have been involved in controversies, either on expenses, taxi fares, and sort of fire authority and all the rest of it. Do you actually like confrontation and controversy?
No, but if you're going to make an omelette, you've got to crack eggs. And if you're going to get anything done as a politician, unfortunately, you're going to upset some people. Those politicians who have no controversy in their lives have probably never got anything done.
Former Mayor of Barnet, Brian Coleman, speaking with Ian Dale there. Let's cross live to the travel